Following the introduction of the latest F80 generation for the 2021 model year, the BMW M3 is now poised to receive a mid-cycle refresh, otherwise known as life cycle impulse in BMW speak, in conjunction with the 2025 model year. The refreshed 2025 BMW M3 follows the more recent addition of a few bits and pieces pulled from the BMW M4. Now, a prototype example of the refreshed 2025 BMW M3 sedan has been spotted testing in Germany, giving us an early sneak peek at what's in store. The front end of this refreshed 2025 BMW M3 prototype is covered in body-hugging black and white camouflage. At first blush, the camel-covered bumper appears to be identical to that of the current model, but will likely present a few updates as well. The traditional kidney grille nostrils are present and accounted for. The profile and rear end remain uncovered, showing the same design as that of the current 2024 model year. The side includes a set of black wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin rubber and housing large brake calipers. That said, the upcoming refresh is expected to introduce a few changes in back, such as with new graphics for the taillights, and possibly a new diffuser. This 2025 BMW M3 prototype is also equipped with a blanket that's hiding the dash. However, the interior of the refreshed M3 isn't expected to introduce any sort of major overhaul, given the M3 already adopted the M4's large, curved infotainment display in conjunction with the 2024 model year. The display will be powered by the iDrive 8.5 system. Updates will likely include new colors, new trim choices, and new leather options.